Did you know you can now chat with AI together with your friends in one conversation? Today I'll show you how to start a group chat in ChatGPT and collaborate with others instantly. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where you learn powerful AI tools and smart tech tips in minutes. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. First, open the ChatGPT app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account before creating a group chat. Step 2. Start a group chat. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner to open the sidebar. Then select the Start Group Chat option. Step 3. Invite friends. Tap Invite with link to generate a group invitation. You can share the link with friends using messages, email, or social media. If this tip helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more quick AI tutorials and smart tech tricks. Step 4. Friends join the group. Once your friends receive the invite link, they can tap it to join. A group chat can include up to 20 participants in total. Step 5. Collaborate with AI together. After joining, everyone in the group can chat with the AI together. This is perfect for planning trips, brainstorming ideas, or working on projects. Step 6. Privacy and control. Your private chats with ChatGPT will not appear in group conversations. You can also leave the group chat anytime if you no longer want to participate. And that's how you can create a group chat in ChatGPT. This feature makes it easy to collaborate with friends, teammates, or classmates while getting help from AI at the same time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Preyo Phonie tutorial.